Right. So we've got this wonderful little piece of kit here. This is the DJI Mini Pro 4. However, current guidelines in the UK require you to fill out a form of magnitude. So what I've decided is to change and create a form for myself. Yeah. Let's go to RedwoodSDK.com. Right. So here we are on Redwood SDK. We're going to use that framework because it should allow us to connect to Cloudflare very easily. So we're going to have a database to store our form in. I've never done this before, so it's going to be interesting, or it's going to be madness. But either way, something is going to happen. All right, so we're going to go here, read the docs. We're going to grab this quick start. So we're grabbing PMPX. We're doing the PNPM install. Yes. All right, let's grab our warp. I'm going to drag that across. And it won't let it come over. Warp. Quit. Open. No. Why have you moved the screen? Oh my goodness. All right. Where has you gone? Where is our website? There it is. All right. Let's take this out of full screen mode. Ugh. Trying to demo live. All right. Bring up warp. I suppose we could jump between the screens. Yeah, let's do that. Let's actually, we're going to make that full screen again. So we've got our website, which we can go off, but you know, whatever. So, here we go. We're going to check out directories. I need my glasses as well. So believe it or not, I'm doing this quite blind. What do you think, Rainbow? Yeah, he doesn't care. All right, so we're going to go CD. I've got like this Redwood projects area where I try and keep everything right there. All right, we're going to paste that here. So we're going to make new project. Let's call it drone 1. Start there. Why not? Okay. Hit enter. Does its thing. It's like installing really fast. But how fast is fast? It's not done yet. So what entertainment could we provide while it installs? Rainbow. Meow. Nah. He don't care. Look at him. Just look at him. He's relaxing there. All lovely. Odd, yes. Are we done? Yeah, we're done. Okay, so CD, boom. Then we go PNPM install. So now we're installing all the dependencies, I believe. If I go over here to, let's just check RedwoodSDK.com. Boom. Okay, so while we're doing that, so we created our new project. Yes, we are installing the independencies. It's wonderful. It's quite wonderful. Yes. Okay. So is that done? Is that done? Yes, that is done. It is done. So we're going to run dev. So we're starting up our development server. That's at least what I think we're doing. It's working. Do you know how it's not to the better? Do you know how I know it's working? We're going to go here. This is kind of winging it to see what this feels like. So there we go. Hello, world. So we've got that. We've got this. We've got a whole bunch of things. The next part I'm going to do is vibe a little. We're going to vibe. So we've got our windsurf. I'm bringing that across. I'm going to open folder. What am I doing? Oh yeah. I remember now. Oh, the focus has gone onto Rainbow. Clearly, he's got something going for him. All right, so drone form 1, open that. Yeah, I trust the authors. Hello, boy. You all right? You gonna just sit there? You gonna chill? What you up to? And he's gone. In our pages, I'm gonna make this one full screen as well, so we can see. There we go. In our pages folder, create a new page. Yes, I don't need to look at the keyboard, but I want to. Nah, just joking. All right, in our pages folder, create a new page. Drone form layout. Let's start with name of store and what else do we need? I must think this through, but let's see. Okay, we're going to hit enter. Boom. Now the AI does its thing. So I can look and investigate later. We should be using a React component, but I don't know what is coming because I haven't specified. This could be anything. It could be anything. And whoops, didn't want to do that. All right, let's see what we've got here. Right, so we've created a drone form page, which is what I asked for. Okay. Let's see, meta tags. It's got div h1. We got a label, text field. Cool. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And yeah, okay, cool. All right. So one thing, this will probably not work. See there, look at that. That is not right. I may have to consult the Oracle. This is kind of meshed up. Right. We need. So there's this thing I learned about at the top here. Client. It's not client only. Right. Let's consult the Oracle. Oh, great Oracle. Lotus. Let us just make sure we are in the right section to ask the Oracle the questions which we need. We're going into here. Yes, we were not in the right section. We will create a new one. So we're going to grab this. Going to paste it. Paste. Oh, why are you thinking so much? Give it the form. Now we stare. I may have messed up. I think I've asked it something which is not conducive of what I need. I see, but why? Yeah, I'm going to grab the new tags for Redwood. Let's grab those and let's do this. Sticky though. But it still looks like it doesn't like it. Why? Not the right type declaration. What the fudge? Data. We need that client piece in there as well for the data. Okay, I'm going to copy. Just check. Okay, there we go. That's the one I was looking for. All right, so we're going to grab this. I'm grabbing this, not Okay, use client. Distill the data. Use client. I think those two are wrong. Let's come on, man. Okay, home.txt. See now. So what if let's just take a look at that. Oh man, this ain't looking right. Okay. Wait, do I even need these? So if I took these out, delete them. Don't know how to do that. Got a lot to learn. Okay, right now, feel like there it is. Weird. Okay, I am stuck. Because I don't want to just vibe, and we're trying to figure this out. And right now I think I created the form incorrectly. So we're going to cut there. We're going to put this together and try again and then come back.